Social media has been our platform of communication, especially in this time of the pandemic. In spite of our distance from each other, we could still reach out to our loved ones and colleagues as real-time as possible. Despite being at home, work and study could still be done, thanks to the new communications media. As a student like me, learning still continues to be delivered with my phone, tablet, or laptop here at the comfort of my home. Catching up with news, shopping, food orders, and even business are now being made online. In this time when we are recommended to stay at home, our interactions has been made with just a click of your thumb. Services such as repairs, medical consultations, and even worship are also now being offered online. However, there are also downsides. First, the continuing anxiety we are experiencing due to loss of human contact. Internet may be the best for now, but it still does not perfectly replace human connections. The abrupt change of learning has also generated intense pressure among people, especially students.